So what is the difference between data and information? So let's understand in detail. Initially, for data analysis, you have to take some domain knowledge. Then you will collect some data. So at this stage, when you are collecting some data, this is known as data. So whatever you are collecting at this stage is known as data. Then you will do cleaning, pre-processing, analyzing. After analyzing, whatever you have is known as information. Okay. So after going through these many phases, you have information. Initially, you have just data. Data is what? Data is raw facts or figures. So this is the key difference between data and information. How you can explain these things to the interviewer? Data is raw fact and figure without any context. Okay. Meaningless information is known as data. What is information? Process data with meaning and context. For example, you need to suggest the best location for Starbucks. So what you will do, you will ask for various information from the data admin. They will give you some information. They will give you customer records. They'll give you prior sale record, prior profit record of various locations. So that all those tables are what? All those tables are just raw facts and figures. Now, out of those, say, you will keep some table, you will delete some table, and out of some table, you will keep few columns, you will delete unnecessary necessary columns. So after doing these things, what you have? You have information, and that information is what? That information will help you in predicting the best location for Starbucks. Okay, this is the main difference between data and information. Now we can divide data on various factors and figures. Okay. So the first is what? We can divide data on the basis of sources. So if you're collecting the data from the management, you have to let them know what type of data you need. You need primary data or secondary data. Okay. So when you're collecting the data, you have to let everybody know that what type of data you need. Now, what is primary data and what is secondary data? So remember I mentioned that lot of time you have to buy some data from various organizations. Like from Amazon, you want to collect some data. So you want to buy some data from Amazon. So what is that? That is secondary data. Secondary data is what? Originally, somebody collected that data for their own purpose, but now you are borrowing that data from for various purposes. So this is known as secondary data. What is primary data? Let's understand this concept with an example. Suppose you want to do the analysis of latest fashion trend. So what you will do? You will like set up your team at various locations near any historical place or near any mall and all. So you'll set up your team at various locations, and what you will do every day, you will calculate or you'll note down like what type of hairstyle have, what type of shoes or the color of shoes they are wearing. So every day you will try to correct these many record in MS Excel. So what is this? If you are doing this same thing for 1 month or for 1 week, you will see that you have collected a good data with lot of information. Okay. So what is this? This way of collecting data is known as primary data. So you for your own self collected all the data. So if somebody is collecting the data for their own purpose is known as primary data. So somebody is collecting the data from scratch, just from basic is known as primary data. Here you have to put the name of the table. Then in that table, how many columns there will be, and in those columns, what type of data you will enter. It whether in first column you will enter number data, or in second column you will enter text data. All those things you have to mention in detail. This is what collecting the data from scratch is known as primary data. Let your friend know that you are collecting the data in this way. Now, your friend want to do analysis on that data. What they will do? They will come to you and they will say that, okay, I want to borrow this data from you. Okay. So this is what if you are giving your data to us, and now that other person is using your data. Now for them, that data will be the secondary data. But for you, that data is the primary data. Okay.